How's it going, guys? Welcome back, and as you can see, doing another CJ5 video. I'm just gonna show you all we did. So me and my dad decided to hook up the bracket to the seats, so now they are in. We still got to do a little bit of a fixing up there and painting. We also, underneath here, cut it out and just welded a piece right on top. Doesn't look the best, but that's what my dad wanted, so we did it. We also caulked around here and we just painted it with the bed liner because that's what we're gonna do. This whole back. Put the roll bar in, back with the new hardware. Yeah, we're gonna probably sand this down and paint it a little bit, and even make a roll bar that goes from the center there to the center and out and down. Yeah, that's pretty much all we have done. We still need to fix the emergency brake because that doesn't really work. It's actually a parking brake. We need to fix that. And then, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but it is the original Hurricane 4 engine. So, little 4-cylinder was about 75 horsepower. We're gonna replace the belt for now. What we have done so far is my dad has broken this a couple times because this is old and brittle. He's also broken the other part, so he just put a piece of copper piping right there to bypass it, because this is just the heater core, so he just wanted to do that for some reason. That was pretty much it. We had a problem with it not starting, but it ended up being the fuel pump down here. Let's see if we can get a better view of it. This fuel pump, there was so much gunk up in this bowl up here. Now it's getting kind of hot, so we kept thinking it was vapor locking in this line because it runs so close to the engine block. But there was so much gunk in this fuel filter. It looks already kind of bad already, so it might be gunk in the fuel tank. But we changed it out. We had a new one, so we changed it out. And you know, it looks pretty good now. Doesn't really match the car, but it looks pretty good. But yeah, so now it starts up right away. It doesn't die after 45 minutes of it just jiggling around and getting caught. Because we had like no clue, but then I just ended up telling my dad, yeah, it's probably the fuel filter, or yeah, fuel pump and filter, and it was, and it started up immediately. Well, not immediately, after it pumped a little bit. Couple more things. We do have a new carburetor, brand new one. That, you know, perfect. We have a new distributor cap, not new wires, but we have the cap. Ignition coil back there, even a bigger one, I believe. And the ignition coil is easy. It's just 3 wires or something. But yeah, this has a generator, not an alternator, and that's big beefy starter. And we also have windshield wiper fluid. So, if you guys have any questions about this engine or anything about the this car, I know quite a bit about it. And then that's for the winch that we still have not gotten fixed yet. So yeah, that looks like it's about it. Still got to probably tighten this down too, because that moves all around. Another hose clamp there. You know, there's a couple missing pieces. Also burns oil because 65. It's a 65, so 55 years old now. 53 years old. So, you know, that's kind of why I want to do a engine swap in it. But it is cool to have the original engine in it. But thank you all for watching. I hope you do enjoy, and hope to see more, because we're going to be fixing these body holes soon, and even the rust on the back here too, and getting, you know, painting all up, make it look pretty. As you can see the rust right there, that's the worst spot. But yeah, clean it up a little bit more and fix all that stuff. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Goodbye.